The 1948 Mathis Type 6666 stands as one of the most ambitious and technically advanced French automobile projects of the immediate post-war era. Conceived by Emile Mathis as the spiritual successor to the experimental Velle L333, the Type 666 was intended to demonstrate that France could produce a large, modern car capable of competing on an international level, particularly with American manufacturers. The origins of the 666 lie in the Velle 333, voiture économique légère, developed during World War II. That car was radically modern, featuring lightweight construction, advanced aerodynamics, and extreme fuel efficiency. After the war, Mathis abandoned the idea of a minimalist vehicle and instead pursued a larger, more durable automobile suited to long-distance driving and reduced mechanical wear. His philosophy favored mechanical longevity over absolute fuel economy, arguing that engines operating far below their maximum output would last longer, run quieter, and reduce overall ownership costs. Unveiled at the 1948 Paris Motor Show, the Mathis Type 666 derived its name from its defining concept: 6 cylinders, 6 seats, and a 6-speed transmission, an exceptional specification for the time. The car was front-wheel drive and equipped with fully independent suspension on all 4 wheels. Power came from a horizontally opposed 6-cylinder engine built by Mechamat, a Mathis subsidiary known for aircraft engines. Initially displacing 2.2 liters, the engine was enlarged to approximately 2.8 liters by 1949, producing around 80 horsepower and rated at 16 fiscal horsepower. Fuel consumption averaged about 9 liters per 100 kilometers, about 62 miles, and with an 85-liter fuel tank, the range exceeded 600 kilometers, about 373 miles. The car weighed roughly 1,050 kilograms, about 2,315 pounds. The body structure was equally advanced. The prototype used the Vue-Total glazing system, patented by Henri Labordette, with pillarless glass surfaces bonded edge to edge without seals. The roof was supported only by the rear quarter panels, creating an expansive glass area. A reinforced structural frame surrounding the passenger compartment provided protection superior to that of smaller economy cars. Despite its innovation, the 6666 faced major obstacles. Production costs were high, styling of the factory body was considered inelegant, and Mathis lacked the industrial scale of rivals such as Renault and Citroën. Independent coach builders, including Chapron and Saoutchick, proposed elegant convertible designs, but only 6 prototypes of the 6666 were ever completed. A Jeep-type vehicle using the same engine was also developed for the French Army, but it was rejected, eliminating a potential source of volume production. By the early 1950s, the project was abandoned. Mathis ceased automobile production in 1954, and Emile Mathis died in 1956 under unexplained circumstances following a fall from a hotel balcony in Geneva. Today, the Mathis Type 666 remains a symbol of post-war technological optimism, an automobile that was too advanced, too ambitious, and ultimately too early for its time.